briefly on what you need to design a very, very good website for yourself, for your businesses, and all that. All right. So now I was saying that what do we need? What are the tools that we need in this class? Number one, I need your creativity. Without creativity, you cannot be the best in this. Your creativity has to come in. That is number one. Number one, you need your creativity in it. Now, what are the tools that we need? You need a text editor. I can use Notepad to design a website. You all have Notepad on your laptop. You can use a Notepad plus your browser. That is all you need to design a website. So many people will think that it is you need some big tools. You don't need any big tool at all. With just a simple notepad and a browser, you can design a website. Fantastic website. Notepad and browser. However, your notepad will be it can be very messy and difficult to use. So which is why you need a text editor, something like a Sublime Text, PyCharm, Visual Studio. You can use any of them. But in this class, we are going to be using VS Code. How many of us have heard about VS Code before? If you have heard about VS Code before, just say yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So for some of us that don't know VS Code, VS Code is where we use to type. It's a typing editor for coding. Yeah. An example of it is what I have here. This is my VS Code. I hope you can see my VS Code. I hope you can see my VS Code.
Yes.
All right. So this is my VS Code. This is what we need to begin to build our website. So if you don't have it, you need to go to code.visualstudio.com and download it. Just a minute. Okay, so this is what you need. Let me just take this to a new tab. This is all you need, basically. It's coming up. So you can come here, code.visualstudio.com/download. Let me put it on the chat so that everyone, you can simply go and download it yourself. Go and download it yourself. Okay. Yeah, I've sent the link to the chat so you can download it yourself. If you are using Windows, which I believe everybody has, just simply click on this link and get it set up. Download it and then follow the setup to get your Visual Studios ready because that's what we are going to be using. Like I said, I'm going to be removing all the noise so that we can get it set. Then you need a browser. You can use any browser. Use any browser. You can use um, you can use Opera Mini. You can use your Google Chrome. You can use any browser. And what is the purpose of this browser? It is just for testing, just for us to test what we have done inside our Visual Studios. Am I too fast, please? Am I too fast? Am I too fast?
No, no, that's fine. You're okay. For
Great.
me.
All right. Anybody, please? If I'm too fast for you, let me know because we are just starting. So and I need you to get the fundamentals. Very, very important. So you need your text editor, you need your browser for testing. Like I said, you need your creativity.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Bring your creativity to play.
Every earpiece ni.
Then, for those of us that don't
Earpiece.
have a laptop, for those of us that don't have a laptop, you can go to this link and then use it on your laptop, on your phone, although it is going to be difficult for
What?
you.
Ah.
Okay, it might be a little bit tedious typing on your phone, but if you don't mind, you can use it on your phone. Go to this link here and then use it on your phone. The next one we need a GitHub. And what is the purpose of this GitHub? So that we can host our website and then we can store it. We can store all our code on this website and then host it so that the whole world can see it. All right. So let's quickly do a bit of setup for those of us that don't know what GitHub is all about.